Hi there. Welcome to another episode of Studio 64. In this video, we shall feature a new tooling from Tarmac Works, under their Global 64 collection. The 2020 Land Rover Defender 90, Special Edition. I'd first like to thank Tarmac Works, for sending me this model to feature on this channel. Not to be considered as a sponsored video though, hence this review shall be fair. Kicking things off with the packaging, this model comes with this reusable blister pack, a standard for Global 64 collection models. The back shows a model artwork, and some literature of the vehicle. It also comes with a box that's supposed to fit the model. Right out the box, you'll be able to feel the solid build on this model. It has some weight on it, thanks to the metal-based chassis. There's no protruding part that makes it fragile to handle. On the other hand, what caught my eye are these white rims. It's quite sporty, and complements well with the metallic glossy olive green paint, and the black accent trims. And upon checking the real car, this model seems to be spot on, though I'm noticing a very slight difference in the shade of green on the paintwork. Here's a closer look at the wheel of this model. It rolls really well as expected, since this is a Global 64 model, and my personal preference as well. Rim design is accurate, and rubber tires are treaded. It's on this side where the ladder to the roof rack is located. It's quite detailed actually, and is also accurate to the real car, as seen here on this 2021 version, from our local Land Rover dealership. Other notable features of this model include the streamlined engine snorkel, and the rubber side mirrors with mirror stickers. And since this is an off-road vehicle, it's nice to see the small details like the lower door protection moldings, the fender flares, and the mudguards. Moving to the front end, this model has ample features that is quite detailed as well. Starting with the front skid plates with the diamond metal pattern. I believe there's separate pieces that are properly attached. And going in for a closer look, we see that the headlights are plastic inserts. It's nicely shaped to give it some semblance of the real thing. The Defender tag on the bonnet, though readable, could have been sharper, as well as the Land Rover logo. But I do like how straight the front grille cowl is, which houses the lower grille. Another cool detail, accurate to the real car, are the bonnet vents. Part of the Explorer pack that is attached to his model is this side-mounted gear carrier. It's nicely detailed to resemble the real case. And of course, what would be an Explorer's pack if not for the roof rack? It's detailed in black and silver paint. Great contrast against the black and white sunroof. Moving to the chassis, or some call it the base, I do believe it's made of metal. The casting done on it is fairly detailed, and is finished with matte black paint. The treads of the tires accentuates the off-road vibe on this Defender 90. Moving to the rear, we see that it has as much notable features as with the front. The spare tire cover is front and center. It has the Defender logo engraved on it. Though far from what I would say precision work, it's still a nice detail. The rear defogger is clearly seen on this rear window. The rear third brake light isn't a plastic insert, but painted. It still stands out against the white roof. A closer look at the tail lights, we can see that they're also plastic inserts, with indentations mimicking the tail light cluster of the Defender 90. This tiny Defender Tampo graphic is surprisingly much clearer than of the one on the bonnet. The black rear plate with a Land Rover text is a nice touch. Reminds me of the plates used in dealerships. I have here an LCD model's Range Rover, just to give you a reference in terms of scale. I noticed this Defender 90 is quite big. Is it really to scale? Well, this Range Rover looks a tad smaller compared to the Defender 90. However, I've seen a Defender 90 up close and I must say, it's really quite beefy. And there you have it. The 2020 Land Rover Defender 90, Global 64 Special Edition by Tarmac Works. One of my to watch out for models, for my collection, are Land Rovers. And this model didn't disappoint. I would say that a tooling of this model, specifically the 2020 model with the white rims and Explorer pack accessories, is a great move. It's a model that looks great scaled down. It does have some minor issues though, and a bit of suspension play would have been great. Also, would have been nice if the Explorer pack accessories can be detached. What do you guys think? Leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do consider subscribing for more videos of 1/64 scale diecasts. Till next time, be safe.